In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to set any song as your iPhone ringtone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option Sound and Haptics. Inside this, you're gonna find the option of ringtone. Click on that. You'll notice that default tones are pretty limited, so if you want a custom song, we will need to use an app. You'll need to download this app, Garage. You can download this app easy from the App Store. Once you download it, launch it. Now click on Continue. Inside GarageBand, swipe through the options and select a track like Voice Recorder. Once you have selected, click on it. Once you're inside, click on this gear kind of icon at the top right. Now click on the option Metronome and Count-in. Disable for both these options and click on Done. Head back. Now click on this plus icon. Select this option Section A and toggle on for the option Automatic. Click on Done. Now you can head back. Now click on this blue icon given at the top. Once it turns white, you'll be good to go. Now click on this loop icon. Now click on the Files option. Here you can import a song that you have already downloaded on your iPhone from sources like MP3 files or music downloads saved in your Files app. After you have selected the song, drag it to the timeline and trim it to select the part you want as your ringtone. You can adjust the start and end point so it plays exactly how you want when someone calls you. When you're happy with the editing, click on this drop down, click on My Songs. Now press and hold on the My Song file, click on Share. Click on the option Ringtone. Click on Continue and give it a name. Then you can save it. Now the song has been exported as ringtone. Now close this, launch the Settings app. Go to Sound and Haptics. Now click on the option Ringtone. Now here you're gonna find the file that you have just extracted. Check in for that file and it will be set as a ringtone. Now your song will play whenever you get a call, and that's it. You have successfully set a custom song as your iPhone ringtone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.